Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received these ceiling lights for reviewing purposes. Let me take them out of the box, okay? First thing we see when we open it is a pair of gloves and the instructions to assemble, okay? I think it's really nice. It does come with everything that you need to assemble them, which I think it's really great, okay? All the pieces, nuts, bolts, tools that you need, they already come included. And as you can see, they've come really well protected. And these are the lampshades. They have a really beautiful alabaster design that I think it's excellent. And the lights are LEDs, okay? They've come in this side and this other side, which I think that it's great and I think it's gonna look really nice. So let's go ahead and start assembling them and let's see how they look all installed up, okay? Come on. Okay guys, as you can see, the assembly process is really simple. The instructions are really clear and it doesn't take that much long to install them. And something that I think it's really nice about these lamps is that you can adjust them with a dimming switch depending of what brightness that you want, which I think it's really nice. And you can adjust the length of the rod depending of what you need or what you want, which I think it's perfect. And the lamps, they have this really nice warm white temperature, which I think it's perfect with the combination of the alabaster and the black metal finish. Okay guys, as you can see, they are already assembled and I think they look really nice. It has a very classy and really beautiful design that I think is gonna be perfect for anywhere you want to place them, in your dining hall, in your living room, where you want to place them. I think they're gonna do an amazing work, and as you can see, they were really easy to assemble and place it in the ceiling. And overall, I like them a lot, and I would really recommend them. See you guys.